Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of introducing you to this beautiful Ford Nugget. It's just arrived with us. It's absolutely stacked with extras. So we'll start with the registration. Registration is Alpha Kilo 20, Papa Juliet Oscar. As I said, it's a Ford Nugget, so it's a factory built vehicle for Ford. It's not a conversion. Do excuse the wind today. So we've got it currently set up in what we refer to as day mode. So our Westphalia awning is out. Lovely set of Westphalia chairs and table. Table folds away into the rear onto the tailgate. So first thing we'll notice with the Ford Nugget is that we've got two sliding doors, making it very rare compared to any other vehicle, as well as 5 seat belts. So let's jump in. So we can see here we've got our table set up for dining. So you can imagine just sat here now, looking across a beautiful view. So let's step through to the rear. So to the rear here we'll find kitchen sink area. But you can see we've got a twin gas hob burner. We also have our onboard sink with, again, a very rare option. It's got heated water, so we've got hot and cold water. Westphalia fridge. Lovely and deep, lots of space there. Loads of storage on this van. Absolutely stacks of cupboards, storage space. Obviously here as well we've got our shower, which we've set up for you there, just showing you there. Obviously, as I said, it's got its onboard water, which is heated. We also have the very rare option of a brink tow bar to the rear. Also to the rear here you'll see our parking sensors. We also have a reversing camera to the rear there as well. I'll show you that operational later in the video. So we'll get the van set up now into night mode so we can go to sleep. I'll just shut this door here. So as you can see, looking down the side of the van, paintwork's absolutely stunning. Beautiful reflection to the paint. Here we'll find our socket here for hookup when we're on campsite. We also find our lockable water cap there for our onboard water. Got alloy wheels with good Goodyear tyres all the way around. Nice side entry steps. As I said, paintwork's absolutely superb. We're looking down the side here. As I said, completely unmarked alloy wheels. Also to the front we can find here we've got LED lights. We also have front fog lights, as I said, as well, with the front parking sensors. Again, paintwork, as we can see here, absolutely superb. It's been a very well looked after van. Again, here to the front, completely unmarked, Goodyear tyres all the way around. As I said, tyres are fantastic, as you can see there. Just take a look down the other side a second. Roof again, fantastic condition. No rips or tears. Yeah, look at the paintwork there in the sun. Metallic really does come alive there in the sunlight. Just while we're finishing off there inside, we'll just show you our beautiful view here across South Somerset. Very lucky and privileged to have such a view. Do you believe we're all set up now? Yep. So here we are, downstairs bed is all folded out, ready for us to sleep in. we'll jump through to the rear. We'll also see upstairs bed all ready for us to sleep in. The upstairs bed is a lot wider. We can fold that one up out the way, which I'll just do for you now. I'll just put the camera down. And there we go, bed all folded up upstairs. So you can see through a little bit better through our walkway through here. Umbrella on board as well. So we'll just jump through into the cab. First thing we'll see here, we've got heated seats to the front. So there we go, van is running. It's just got a light there showing that our rear door is still open. So we've only covered 5,722 miles, that's 5,722. There's no warning lights there present at all. Obviously, as we said, we've got a warning light there just to let us know our door is open. Just release the handbrake there to show you the handbrake light. And obviously the other is the seatbelt warning light, as we're not wearing a seatbelt. Driven the van myself, drives absolutely superb, as you'd expect from such low mileage of only 5,722 miles. We've got cruise control with speed limiter function. We've got electric windows, electric folding mirrors. On board we also have satellite navigation and hands-free calls, and various other hands-free calls, sorry. We've got various other mobile apps as well that we can put on the vehicle. You may also have noticed the vehicle comes with a 12-month AA basic breakdown cover, as we're proud to say we're AA Dealer Promise dealers. If you have any further questions, or of course you'd like to buy this beautiful Ford Nugget, please feel free, give us a call, 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and we'll speak to you soon.